Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. I'm so excited that I was able to see all of the items that are expected for the Lola beauty box. I really love spoilers. That way I could decide if I want to get the box or just skip it. But if you really wanted to subscribe to this box after you see all the items that we are expecting, it's going to be provided in the description box. It's $21 for the subscription. In this, so far we're expecting 5 full-size items and the shipping for the US is free. So let's just get started. The first item I see is the lip cream. The value of it is $12. I don't know if this is gonna be the only shade, but so far it is a pretty good color. The next item is a palette. It looks like it's just a 4 color palette, and the retail value for that palette is $39. For this item, the value is $20, but you might get the cheeky blush or the Dolly blush. As you can see, it's a little bit of different colors. So you might get one or the other, and the value is $20. The other item I think is very exciting because I just did my unboxing from Thrive Beauty Box, and I got this brand, which is the Maskeraide Beauty, and I got a cleanser, but this one is a sheet mask, and you're going to be getting 2, and the value price for that is $10. And the last item that we should be expecting to get is a yogurt shampoo, and the value price for that is $12. I have a couponing site, and this is something I have been sharing there, but I wanted to share it included in here because I love that Summer's Eve is offering that if you purchase 2 other items, you will be getting a Boxycharm free. So what you have to do is I'm going to provide the link so you know a little bit more and which place is the best time for you to purchase Summer's Eve and for you to get the best deal. And I believe you're expected to get the November box, and this deal ends on October 27th. I hope you was able to enjoy this video and getting ready for you to see what we're expecting for October. You could give it a thumbs up, and don't forget you could also subscribe to my channel so you could join the Jazz Journey family. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.